Hello, I'm back again. This is the broken doll, and we're going to fill this tub up with water. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to put in some soap, because this doll's far from done. Should have stirred that around first, but oh well. Alright, here we go again. Round 2. We'll squeeze this. Oh my goodness, more dirt's coming out. But not as bad as the first one, but it's there. There we go. Yeah, it's dirty, but it's just not as dirty as like the first time there was really bad. And we're getting back to some dirty water again, but just not as deep. I don't think at this time it's not as deep as the first one. So, but this is what it needs. It just needs a good soaking, this wig. Like I say, she was not put in the best place, through her last year's. Surprising what a lot of these little dolls go through. She was a big doll, but what they go through and how they. I like to just soak that just for a little while. Just let it sit in here and just soak. And maybe I'll get there because it's not as dirty as it was. So I think what I'm going to do is just let this soak for about maybe an hour just in this. Just not forever, not overnight or anything like that. But oh my goodness, I'll get the tub filled up again and we'll put another, let it soak again in another thing of clean water coming up. We'll rinse it. But right now, I think she just needs to be soaking in some nice soapy, sudsy water and just, oh yeah, she just needs it so bad. Now this is the twin pine stuff. Now it's really working great on this wig here, I have to admit. I love it on this wig here. So far, I do. So, boy, I'm really caught in the middle when it comes to the shampoo. I really believe shampoo is shampoo on these dolls. Like, if I didn't have this, I'd be just putting my own shampoo in that I have here in the house. So you don't have to run out and get this stuff if you don't want to, You're always welcome to try it, though, It is a, I'm so iffy in between right now. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. So, but anyways, though, I'm going to leave that upside down and just let that soak. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let this soak for a while. I think that's what it needs after all the years of where it's been. And, like, it's dirty. The water's dirty, but just not as deep as it was. But I'm going to let it soak for about an hour. I'm going to come back, and we're going to start rinsing it. And I'm going to grab another jug, I think. And that way I can have more water in here. I can't wait till I get my water in here. But anyways, I hope you like what you're seeing. A lot to this wig before we even get it on her head. So, anyways, that's where we're at with this. And but I hope you enjoy it, and we've got more coming. So stay tuned. A lot more coming to this doll's wig, the journey of the doll wig. That's what we'll call this. Anyhow, bye bye. And thank you for joining me too. Remember to hit subscribe, thumbs up, and give me a comment if you want to. I enjoy reading them. Thanks again for joining me. Bye bye.